check, mic check. What's good, YouTube, man? So look, y'all. Currently on the channel, we have 15,098 subscribers, man. We finna hit that 15.1K. I appreciate y'all. And today I got a couple of trade breakdowns for y'all. I'm in the market currently on Nas. I'm up $120. But I did lose a lot today, and I did miss an entry. So, I would have made that money back if I would have hit if my entry would have hit, which y'all finna see, man. I missed it by literally a molecule. Like, I don't even think it was a full pip that I missed it by. So we finna get into that and everything. And these like trade breakdown slash not streams, but like me recording, no editing, no like all of this is gonna be for those people that do want to like start understanding trading a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? I am finna start a mentorship slash starting a clothing brand slash starting a YouTube. I still want to I still got to figure out a lot of stuff, like what exactly I want to do, how I want to do it. But yeah, man, we finna go ahead and get into this. So clothing brand video is still gonna be dropping. Actually, let me show y'all this. I actually already have a video.
Levels to everything in this world. So of course, at the four.
Let me show y'all. I actually already have a video, the behind the scenes of my photo shoot jackpot collection. I actually came up with the name last night. I was on the phone with basically I got two more videos. Yeah, one more video, and then the video after that, y'all gonna see who basically helped me with the name. It's my boy, man. Pretty much he found my channel. I think he said December, and ever since then we've been locked in. You know what I'm saying, bro? Been locked in with me since like 2.5, almost 3K subscribers, and as you can see, we're at 15K. So yeah, man, got a video dropping for y'all at 12:30 p.m. CST. So I definitely go plug in with that. But currently we are in Nas. This is my initial entry. This is where the market is now. My stop loss is at break even for this trade, but then I just got into another trade around here, and this is my stop loss for that trade. So basically I'm replacing this trade with this trade. So this trade right here, the bottom one is gonna be like, it's gonna be a risk-free trade. And then basically I just, like I said, I just substituted this trade right here for this one. So if I lose this one, I basically lost what I was gonna lose right here, if that makes sense. And then I'm looking for the market to swing back up here, break these highs, and then I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm really low-key looking to swing this all the way up here. Like, if this was to break here with a strong impulse, I'm most likely gonna swing the trade, just because I am in a lot of drawdown for the account that I'm in right now. Man, y'all finna see, bro. It's like I've been missing a lot of trades, fam. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy, man. But I do see I see liquidity right here. So basically money, I see two highs that need to be taken out. So hopefully this keeps moving up, breaks this, and then it just trickles up there. And then throughout the time, I think I have like 13, 14 days left for the account. So if I could definitely, man, this shit moving, bro. Like, come on, you moving the wrong direction. But yeah, if I can definitely find some more trades to substitute the ones that I've been missing, then shoot, we could be able to pass this, man. We will pass it. I ain't gonna lie. I just need this to go up there. If I at least make like $400, $600 off Nas, I can easily make the other 800 that I need. Like, I just been missing trades. But y'all finna see, man. Let's get into it, man. I've been talking too much. But we had some news earlier today, and that's why I pretty much moved how I move with these entries. And yeah, since the USD is going down, I believe Nas should be going up. That's just my personal opinion. And I am in the signals chat, and pretty much bro said buy Nas. So that's why I'm risking more than I usually would. So as you can see here, this is the first trade that I missed. AUD USD. Seen this downtrend that was going on here. Then market broke, shot up, came down, and pretty much usually what the market does, anytime that it breaks some structure like this, that first initial rejection always is strong. Always is strong. Like, I can show y'all a couple more trades that are the same way. As you can see, this was the breaker structure here. Hold on, let me switch that for this. Better yet. Let's do this. Make this black smaller. But like I was saying, anytime market breaks structure and it has that small retracement, there's always that first rejection is always the strongest. So that's why I put my entry right here. As you can see, we did miss it by about 6 pips. Yeah, 6 pips. And it shot up for 57. So that was the first trade I had missed, which is like, I'm not tripping because it didn't come into my entry. For real. Like I said, 6 pips is a good number. Like, when you start playing with a lot more money, 6 pips is a lot. Like, 6 pips can be somebody else's paycheck. Like, no cap. Like, if you put a 10 lot, that would be $600 right there. Off 6 pips. Off literally 6 pips. Like, no joke. Like, this little thing right here could be $600. This is just the power of trading and just like leverage and stuff like that. So like I said, this small little box right here that y'all see, this right here, this could have been $600. But 10 lots, that's a lot of money, I ain't gonna lie. 10 lots, you have to have a decent sized account. Now, the one that I'm really am pissed about, that I'm really like upset for real, is this one right here. Because how in the world, right? I was in this trade last night. I think what it's, bro, don't tell me that's what it's doing, bro. Because I set that in my head, but I didn't want to believe it. All right, let's continue. This trade right here, I literally missed it by a molecule. I don't even think this is a full pipet yet. I mean, a full pip. And I think I missed it by pippets. Like, okay, that's 2 pips, but still, on my MetaTrader, it literally looks like it literally tapped the entry, because this is my entry right here. I always add an extra. Yeah, I literally missed it by like, yeah, 5, like half a pip, bro. No cap. Because like I said, this is really my entry right here. I always add an extra pip to my MetaTrader. So this was my original entry. Crazy, man, crazy. And it shot up for about 60 pips. So that's around like $500 that I missed out on, because I was in with a 0.78. So 60 times 0.78 equals 46.8 times 10. That's $468. So like 500, because it kept on moving up a little bit more. And yeah, that is what it's doing. I cannot believe that, bro. Well, nah, it's still holding up. Never mind. I just need this to move, fam. Like, please shoot up there. Like, I don't know why it's playing. And I moved my stop loss to break even, because I just don't see why this should come down. Like, if it comes down, they're probably going to break this and just keep moving down. So we're going to wait and see. But back to this Nas trade, fam. Like, I mean, back to this GBP/USD. As y'all can see, literally missed it by that little. Had no drawdown if I would have tapped into that trade. And went up for like 64 pips. But yeah, as I continue, right? I seen this entry right here, which made a lot of sense, because like I said, anytime that it breaks structure, that first rejection, it should always be respected. And then there's 3 highs right here, almost 4, but that 4th one created liquidity. So all these highs right here got taken out. So there's a lot of money up here too. You know what I'm saying? So that was another reason why I got into that trade. But did lose that one. So I was like, you know what? This one right here is the next area that it should respect. And the way that I came up with this entry is I seen this institutional candle right here on the 1 hour. Or was it the 2 hour? Yeah, the 2 hour. I seen this institutional candle in the 2 hour. So once I started breaking that down, I seen this right here. And y'all know I like to take my entries off the 30-minute. So off the 30-minute, I seen this entry right here, the top of that candle, because this is the lowest candle right here. This candle is the lowest down candle, and we're trying to go up. So anytime that you're trying to go in for a trade, always go the opposite of the candle. I mean, opposite of the direction that you're going. So if I'm going up, I'm going to use a down candle. If I'm going down, I'm going to use the up candle. So this was the open of that candle, but then this candle tapped into it, as y'all can see here. Wait, which candle was it? Yeah, it was this one. So then when I drop to lower time frames, it's another candle. Was it this one? Let me see. I think it was this one. Yeah, it was this one. Yeah, it was this candle right here. Cause that's the other lowest after it created this small little uptrend. Came down, shot up. Well, that's not really. It's this one right here. Yeah, it's this one. So boom, right? So y'all can see here. This is what happened. Gonna make this like a beige color. Make this bigger. So boom, shot up, came down, shot up again. It came down, shot up, and then this was the lowest that it went. Not this one. Not this one. Because if I was to mark up this didn't break. So I would be all the way back here again, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I didn't mark this low. Instead, we're gonna mark this low. And the lowest candle here is this one. And that's why I initially marked up this right here. But like I said, I always add an extra pip. Extra pip to it. So that's why my entry is a little bit higher than the candle itself. But like I said, man, I did miss the freaking entry by 1 pipit, bro. I mean, half a pip. Dead ass. And now that's shooting up. So, like I said, I'm looking for this. Let me just delete this since this was a fail. Like this. Let me just switch this over so it don't move a lot. But yeah, now I'm looking for the market to go take out these highs up here, which is 183 pips. Which could happen by the end of the week. Let me see if there's more news. AUD, CAD, USD. So by Thursday, it should be up there with this unemployment claims. It should shoot up even more. So it looks like AUD and CAD is going to be our move for today. For this week. But what I was basically saying that I hope that that's not what's happening. The market has a tendency of sometimes when there's like a small retracement, like I said, right, when there's a small retracement and it shoots down and then there's a strong impulse up, the market will slowly trickle down, which I'm seeing now currently, but I don't know if it really wants to do that or not. I don't know if it's trying to fake people out for the sales and stuff like that. As y'all can see, it respected that up candle right here. So I hope that's not what it's doing, because if it is, that's what Nas is gonna come down to. And we want the USD to get weaker, so all of this could be taken out, and yeah. But on to the next trade, which is AUD which y'all, I literally called this out on my main Instagram. Like as soon as I got into the trade, I even showed if y'all know who Sleep Blue is, right? See Blue and his homeboy, man, Joey, shout out to them. They came over here to Pearland. We was hooping and stuff like that together. That was my first time meeting both of them. Network over Instagram with Joey. Met up with C Blue at the rec center. And pretty much I was showing them this trade like as soon as I swear to God, like I was only like 10 pips into the entry. I was 10 pips into the entry, y'all. 10 pips, fam. Like I was like, it's no way that this literally just happened. 10 pips into the entry. I was like around right here on Friday. That Friday of that, whatever week that was. I think it was like the 29th. I don't remember. I don't want to get into that. But yeah, I got out because I was afraid that when the market closed, the spread was going to get way too high and it was going to take me out. But as y'all can see, man, it was playing around this area, building a lot of liquidity right here, and then it just shot up for 133 pips. 133 pips. I had a stop loss of 12. Literally a one to 11. Like, bro, a 1 to 11. Just imagine you put $33. That would be $333 that you just made off $33. Like, man. But I'm grateful that I am witnessing these things because over time, obviously, I'm gonna start catching a lot of these, be more patient with my entries, and I'm gonna just start swinging these like all the way up there. So I am thankful for my understanding and knowledge, but I low key already want to start like profiting all of this. Bro. Okay, I was finna say this is a trade that I marked up based off a daily entry. So this is not really like a trade that I'm looking to get into unless it shoots up, breaks this high, and it comes back down. Well, I'm not even. Yeah, I don't even trade Euro AUD no more. Like I deleted that shit. Yeah, last week. Yeah, I deleted that shit last week, bro. I got so pissed off. As you can see, you'll see no Euro AUD here. No Euro AUD. I literally deleted that shit. Like I really got pissed off because it's just, man. As y'all can see, another trade that I missed. 145 pips, 14 pips, stop loss. Another literally a 1 to 11 because it kept on dropping after that. Another 1 to 11 that I missed out on. And I did find this entry last week right here. That's because it was liquidity built up here and it shot up for a little bit, but it did hit my stop loss. Like I said, I did not get into this trade at all. So this was something that I was just observing. 34 pips and my stop loss was 5 pips. So that's low-key a 1 to 4 right there that I could have profited off of if I was to get in. And let's see. It is Euro AUD. No. USD CHF. Another one that I marked up. I actually marked this up on, bro. This is not my first time recording something like this. Like, this is my third time actually. The first one, I could low-key post that one. I don't know why I didn't. I forgot. But the second one that I did, I have broke this down on the call for y'all. Like, literally no entry. Like, this was all the way up here. I think almost like around up here. So none of this happened. None of this right here that you see would happen. But I literally marked this up for y'all on a call. But I never posted the call. And as y'all can see, I did miss my entry by about 5 pips. And it's funny because I literally said this on a call too. I said, I don't know why I feel like this is going to respect this candle instead of this one. Now, same thing with the last trade that I just broke down, GBP USD. So, boom, right? This is the institutional candle that took this out right here. Let me break this down for y'all, man. It's crazy. Like, I love the fact that my knowledge is growing so much more for trading. Like I said, though, I'm just ready to start actually profiting off of all this. But boom, right? This is the initial open of this candle, right? The lowest candle. Now we go to the 15-minute. This is the next candle that it respected, right? So in my head, I'm like, yo, I don't want it to go too high. I don't want it to stop too high because at that point I'm risking more than I'm comfortable with. That's literally what I said, bro. I said I don't want to put my entry up here because that's me, risking way more than I'm comfortable with. So then right here, where is it at? This one right here. I believe it was this one. It was one of these, man. One of these entries. one of these candles. I'm sorry. I was like, you know what? Let me just use that candle, and I believe it was this one, if I'm not mistaken, right? And guess what? This candle, this is literally why the candle is marked up in the first place, because I'm like, yo, why do I feel like it's gonna respect this one? And as you can see, that is exactly what it did. Let's make this blue. And as we scroll to the side, that would have been a perfect entry. Obviously, I would have added a pip to it. So 34, I would have been at 35.354 right here. You see, that's a full pip, and I would have definitely been in the trade by then. I'm telling you, bro. Like, I could be like overly pissed off and angry that I'm missing a lot of these trades, which sometimes I am, because it's like, damn, like, you feel me? But at the same time, I'm just glad that my knowledge is growing a lot. So 84 pips. My stop loss would have been literally 4 pips. So that's like, I don't even know what that is, bro. Hold on, let me see. That's a stupid ratio. I ain't gonna cap. Dumb ratio. And it's funny because like I said, for GPUSD, I did the same exact thing. So like I said, like, my knowledge is really growing, because back then I was not doing shit like this. So that is a 1 to 20. A 1 to 20. So let's just say you risk $50. Let's just say you risk $50, right? $50. Oh yeah. So 50 divided by 8. That was 8, right? No. That was 4. That's so basically that would be a 1.25. So 1.25 times, I think that was 84 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 84 pips. Off $50. Literally off $50, man. But yeah, man, I hopefully y'all enjoyed this stream. I'm gonna do way more of these if y'all like them, if I see the ratio of the likes and stuff like that doing good. But yeah, man, hey, y'all see what's going on, man. I appreciate all of y'all. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all traders, y'all keep protecting these markets, man. We out.